Today I'm going to show you Huda Beauty's new product, Easy Blur. I'm starting with the primer, which is a lightweight, soft focused effect. It is silicone free, and the foundation is 1.5% niacinimide, which is great for the skin. This is weightless, it's comfortable, it's buildable, and it's supposed to be better than a filter. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like today. Let me know, do you guys think this looks as good as a filter? Personally, I think this foundation is fantastic and it feels so great on the skin. And I did do a wear test and this stayed in place without any touch-ups for 8 hours. Look at this correction. It completely neutralizes the redness in my skin. It hides any sun damage and you literally cannot see my pores. And the greatest part about this is that it felt moisturizing and hydrating, and it just felt really good. And I have combination skin, I would say, on the dry side, and it worked really well with this primer. I'm blending everything out with the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki foundation brush. I'm going to finish off the eyes with the Faux Filter color corrector in the shade Cherry Blossom, and I'm blending this out with a mini Mint Pear Kabuki brush. Then I'm using the Faux Filter concealer in shade Cotton Candy, and I will take that same mini Kabuki brush from Mint Pear to blend this out. I really want to marry these products together. Now I'm going to set the under eyes in place with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Cherry Blossom Cake, and the rest of the face I'm going to set in place with the Easy Bake in Pound Cake. And I'm using the large powder brush from Mint Pear. Look at this magic. Do you see what just happened? This is fantastic. Seal of approval. I love this foundation. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.